July 5th, the day after 4th of July 2022. I wanted to add a variable filter setting on this program. I've had filters here which have been drop-down filters, and those are fine, but you can't really get a feel for what you're filtering on the radio. So here I have the AM broadcast band on, and I pre-tuned a station. So let's turn the volume up, and then we'll explore the variable filter.
Remember to hide all valuables, lock all doors.
Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the filter, variable filter.
Please share the road and drive safely. Today's fire danger is extreme. There is a red flag warning in effect. Red flag warnings are issued when a fire will start quickly, or it is more likely for a fire to get out of control before you can respond. Please help keep your lives safe by dial 911 to report emergencies and wildland fires. The scenic drive is open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. The visitor center is open daily from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. A fire restriction is in effect.
So you probably saw that made the fidelity of the station less as the filter hertz bandwidth went down, which is to be expected. And that's good for weak signal work when you're trying to do amateur radio or trying to hear weak signals with a limited strength. So let's tune around a bit.
Be prepared with sunscreen, head covering, and more water than you think you'll need. No se preocupa del pasado ni del futuro. El niño se aprovecha del momento presente. ¿Has escuchado hablar de la infancia espiritual y Santa Teresita del Niño Jesús? Aquí está el secreto. Vivir el presente con amor, como un niño, como una niña en los brazos de su madre. Cuando tú tienes a Ethan en tus brazos, Nancy, cuando tenías él más pequeñito, ¿qué hacías con eso? Simplemente estaba ahí.
So on an AM signal, you can see how that constrains the fidelity a lot. So I could show you some sideband signals if anyone's on here talking on sideband. So that's a really weak AM signal, and I'm trying to show how limiting the bandwidth might be useful to pull out the audio, but that person or station is too weak. Let's try and find something else. Okay, well, that's about it. Not much to really show you today, but that's how the variable filter works now. I'm probably going to change the direction of it because when I turn it counterclockwise, it goes up. So I'm going to make it go down counterclockwise, and that's about it. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.